when I'm looking at for a teacher, I will look at the attitude first. And I give 100% for attitude.
We don't look for certificates, and that's absolutely true. So here is we need to understand that when they are hiring, it is not, they are just looking for point-in knowledge or anything. They are looking for coachable. They are looking for someone who can coach for life.
In that panel discussion, we discussed about the teaching profession in UAE, like how teachers are getting hired, what are the qualifications required.
I have recently joined PGCEi program here at Westford. Today I'm here to attend workshop which was all about future learners.
I wanted to do this PGCE course because I wanted to make my teaching profile stronger and improve my teaching methodologies and enhance my classroom.
We got to meet some new principals which are already here having a work experience of 10 and 20 years. From them we got a lot of knowledge about what they are looking in a teacher, how inclusion looks like, how AI is being integrated. This all has served as a good start.
And the workshop was very interactive and very engaging, and I have learned so many real life examples and so many practical tools so that I can use it in my professional life.
And this particular workshop really helped me to gain the inside knowledge of a teaching world. So I look forward to such seminars and workshops here at Westford. Thank you.